Here's how to unblock someone on Instagram threads profile. So, if you blocked someone accidentally and now you are wondering how to unblock them, this 5-minute solution will show you how you can do it. Open your thread app, go to your profile, tap on this menu icon at the top right, tap on privacy, tap on blocked profiles, and note one thing, these block profiles can be managed on Instagram. Tap on it, and now tap on unblock next to the profile you want to unblock. Tap on unblock, and this is how we can unblock someone on Instagram threads profile. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.